Hilti is a world-leading solutions provider for the energy industry and is a pioneer in providing innovative solutions for fastening to steel. Hilti offers a variety of fastening solutions for steel applications that are fast, efficient, and reliable. Traditional methods of fastening to steel include the following: welding, through bolting, clamping. In this video, we will show the benefits of the Hilti fastening methods against these traditional methods in a typical application of fastening strut to steel. Welding can be a time-consuming fastening process that requires an experienced or certified welder, hot work permit, and fire watch. Prep work and rework of coated steel needs to be done, and the application often requires an external power source, and if done outdoors, is dependent on weather conditions. Through bolting requires the penetration of the flange, which can be a long and tedious drilling process, especially with thick steel flanges. The installer needs to be able to access both sides and often has to fumble around with lots of small parts like bolts, nuts, and washers. Clamping also requires access to both sides of the application, can be limiting in the way or direction something is being attached, and is subject to more limited vibration resistance, which can require more maintenance. Clamping materials can also be more expensive per fastening point. With Hilti's innovative solutions, we provide a new way of working that is fast, efficient, and reliable. Hilti's sharp tip technology is a very fast installation method of fastening directly to steel that requires no pre-drilling and is ideal for thin base materials. The direct fastening method occurs by fusion welding and helps ensure high holding values. Hilti's blunt tip direct fastening technology is ideal for high-strength steel. A small pilot hole is drilled and then the fastener is attached, creating a fusion weld that helps to ensure high holding values. There is no rework needed of the coated steel. Hilti's blunt tip screw fastening technology is suitable for steel and soft metals like aluminum. This method of fastening is propellant-free and is also removable. As you can see, the Hilti fastening solutions can be completed up to 60% faster. For more information on Hilti's solutions for fastening to steel, contact your Hilti representative or visit Hilti online.